Another question that has come up here at Carolina Auto Sports often is, what do I do with a car that I no longer want? Obviously, bring it here to Carolina Auto Sports. We can evaluate that car for you. We would be more than happy to trade you out of that car, put you in a vehicle that better suits your needs. But if you just don't need that car anymore, let's say your child went off to college, maybe they got married. It's just an extra car in your driveway that is taking up space and you don't need it there anymore. Also, let us evaluate your vehicle, because we are here to help you, and we love helping out the community and having local vehicles traded in or sold here to us that we can turn around and help someone else out with their needs. So definitely bring your cars to Carolina Auto Sports. We will evaluate them and let us help you get to your goals, whatever those are.